Good morning, YouTubers. Welcome to my review of the Tactical Tailor Escape and Evasion pack, the E&E pack. This is the vertical pack, made from Kojura with YKK zippers. Give you a quick estimate of the size. Roughly 7 inches by 4.5 inches, and the width on mine at the moment is 3.5 inches. Obviously it can get thicker the more you put it in there. Got it pretty much packed out with what I need. So moly webbing on the back, a couple of loops for helping you if you want to hang it up somewhere. I've got on the back a Sharpie, and on the other side I've got my knife. Actually illegal to carry in the UK, so I normally have it inside the pack. This is my Leatherman knife, which I got free with a Leatherman that I bought a while back, and very useful. If you open it up, it's a clamshell vertical YKK zippers. They go all the way around to the bottom, so when you open it, it opens up fully. On one side here I've got my Leatherman charged titanium. A card with black electrician's tape, a pack of Stanley blades, wet wipe, and I've got a bit kit for my Leatherman, another bit kit for my, and a socket kit as well, socket set with the useful sizes, and a bit set, and these work with my little driver. Very useful if you can find something this small. The whole kit is there that I need. It's got a socket driver on one side and a bit driver on the other side for my bits, so I can have my bits on that side, sockets on the other side. It's reversible ratchet, very useful, and takes no space at all. I've got a sharpening stone. I've not put it in a case or anything like that. I don't want to scratch anything up, so I've left it in the cardboard with the instructions. But for this side I've got my trusty Bic lighter, my Lipsil, keeps the chaps away. Haven't got a flash torch like you guys. I don't really go out at night that often. I do have one on my bike, which sometimes I keep in my pack, but this one is a medical torch, and does a job for me for finding bits and things that I need in my bag. I've got a pen, which is a Cartier, a little bit extravagant, but I do like to write. I've also got a Mackenzie smelling salts. Now you can't get these anymore. People have bought out the entire stock at Boots and other stores, and they're selling them on eBay at stupid prices. I've managed to get one before they stop making them, and I think they're prescription only now, but if you're ever tired, one sniff of this will wake you up. If you're into training and you go to the gym, you might even know what this is for, but it gives you a basically an ammonia and a menthol blast to the nose, goes straight to the brain and shocks you and wakes you up straight away. Pretty good piece of kit if you're tired. I use it when I'm driving. I've got a small sewing kit, which I could do into a smaller pack when I get around to it. A towel, also by Trespass, called a drip clip. It was in a little pouch, which I have around here somewhere or not, but I unclipped it and I just keep it in my E&E kit. And I also have an adjustable spanner, very useful. It's got a couple of spanners built in. These are the ones that I normally use. This is made by a company called Mills, which do toolkits for electricians, computer components and things like this. And that's pretty much it. You can see that it's quite a small size. It's actually smaller than an iPhone 6 Plus, otherwise I would save the back pocket for that, but it doesn't fit. I've got to get a smaller phone. It's got 4 loops for storing things on each side, elasticated. A Velcro patch here for morale badges. It's all the pouches closed by Velcro with a straightforward pull on the cord. The bottom pouch is see-through, so you can put stuff that you need to see in there. 3 pouches on one side, all paracord to just pull, very easy, and 2 pouches on the other side. The 2 on the top are a little bit bigger, 3 on the bottom are a little bit smaller, and obviously Tactical Tailor, made in USA. I was thinking of getting one of these pouches for quite a while, and I prefer I prefer Tactical Tailor goods anyway to Maxpedition. Maxpedition obviously designed in the US, good quality, but not manufactured in the US. This one is made in the US. So if you're an American and you want to buy American, I don't know why you guys buy Maxpedition when you have Tactical Tailor on your doorstep. But to each their own. Thank you very much. This is my review of the E&E pouch. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you.